Learning to play the guitar is an exciting journey filled with endless possibilities. Whether you dream of strumming your favorite songs around a campfire or performing on stage in front of thousands, the challenges faced by beginner guitarists are universal. In this article, we will explore 5 crucial obstacles that every aspiring guitarist encounters and provide practical tips on how to overcome them like a pro. Finger pain. The first hurdle. As a beginner, one of the first challenges you'll face is the discomfort and pain in your fingertips from pressing down on the guitar strings. This can be discouraging and may even lead some aspiring musicians to give up before they've truly begun. To master this hurdle, it's important to build up calluses on your fingertips gradually. Start by practicing for short periods each day and gradually increase the duration as your fingers toughen up. Additionally, consider using lighter gauge strings initially as they require less pressure to produce sound. Struggling with chord changes, finding your flow. Another common challenge for beginners is transitioning smoothly between chords. It can feel frustrating when you're unable to switch quickly enough, resulting in awkward pauses or missed beats. The key here is practice. Repetition is essential for muscle memory development. Focus on individual chord changes at first before gradually increasing speed while maintaining accuracy. Utilize exercises specifically designed for chord transitions and dedicate time each day solely focused on improving this aspect of playing. Lack of motivation. Staying inspired. Maintaining motivation throughout your guitar learning journey can be difficult at times, especially when progress seems slow or stagnant. One effective way to stay inspired is by setting achievable goals along the way, whether it's mastering a particular song or learning new techniques within a specific time frame. Celebrate these milestones as they come and reward yourself for reaching them. This will keep you motivated and eager to continue improving. Additionally, surround yourself with like-minded individuals who share your passion for music. Joining a community of fellow guitarists or taking lessons from an experienced teacher can provide the support and encouragement needed to overcome any motivation slump. Lack of time. Carving out practice sessions. With busy schedules and numerous commitments, finding time to practice can be a significant challenge for beginner guitarists. However, consistency is key when it comes to progress. To tackle this obstacle, prioritize your practice sessions by scheduling them into your daily routine. Even short bursts of focused practice are better than sporadic long sessions. Consider waking up earlier or utilizing breaks throughout the day to squeeze in some quality playing time. Overwhelm. Navigating the sea of resources. As a beginner guitarist, it's easy to feel overwhelmed by the vast number of resources available. Online tutorials, books, videos, each promising quick results or secret techniques. To avoid information overload and ensure steady progress, establish a structured learning plan that focuses on fundamental skills first before branching out into more advanced concepts. Seek guidance from reputable sources such as established guitar teachers or well-regarded online courses that offer comprehensive curriculums tailored specifically for beginners. In conclusion, mastering the challenges faced by beginner guitarists requires dedication, patience, and perseverance. By gradually building calluses on your fingertips, practicing chord transitions diligently, setting achievable goals for motivation purposes, carving out regular practice sessions in your schedule, and following a structured learning plan, you'll be well on your way to becoming an accomplished guitarist. Remember that every professional musician was once a beginner facing these same obstacles. Embrace the journey and enjoy every step along the way.